Here we go, another project in the city of Agora Hills. Block wall damage. Obviously a car slammed into the wall accidentally, and this is what it looks like. So we have to take down this complete wall section with the stucco, check the framing and footing, reframe as needed, stucco, and paint it to match the existing as close as possible. So again, this is what it looks like. Let's go a little bit of a close-up on it. That's it. Go just continuing this block wall. We took care of the framing, came out really nice. We're starting to put the stucco paper on from that side. So again, this is what it looks like so far. Looking good, the repair, and we're just gonna go ahead and continue. And we'll match it up, that's it. So just continuing this block wall damage here, the dividing wall, partition wall here between the carports. So we went ahead, we went with the stucco first coat, which is a scratch, black paper, and on this side we still need to put up the paper and the stucco. So this is what it looks like so far. That's it. Here we go, finished product. We just finished fixing the wall. We just need to touch up the paint, so it's going to be a little bit more similar. Stucco came out just about identical to the existing. And again, here's the repair on this damaged block wall, and we also replaced that wooden piece that you can see, that fascia wall. That was replaced as well. Again, you can take a look at the stucco. It's a 95 to a 99% identical match. So that's it. Again, another damaged stucco repair by Crown Construction.